we're going to use 1/2 inch round rubber feet. The nails are a little inconsistent, so we're going to make sure that we measure in 1.25 inches from both ends so we don't poke through the groove. Now turn your piece over, make your 1.25 inch mark, give yourself a pilot hole, and then nail in your rubber foot. Now just follow that procedure for all 4 corners. To protect your new cutting board surface, make sure you lay down a nice clean towel to do your work on top of. Well, there you go. Let's do it one more time. Since this cutting board is a little smaller, I decided to measure in only 3/4 inch in from the end. I think this will make the cutting board a little more stable to work on. Notice I measured all 4 corners at the same time, and then did all 4 pilot holes, and then I did all 4 feet. After you do a project a couple of times, you tend to find a quicker system.